I'm going to show you guys how to make the most amazing scrambled eggs that are vegan, totally plant-based, totally good for you, and silky and delicious. Now, these are Silken Tofu Scrambled eggs, and once you've tried these, you'll never go back to making just regular tofu scrambled eggs again, or even scrambled eggs again. High in protein, gluten-free, dairy-free, purely delicious, and they're from my cookbook, Earth to Table, and you're going to love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly just saute off some fresh turmeric. I've got some fresh turmeric here, about a teaspoon. Now you can also use dry turmeric. So this is the dried, this is the fresh. And just quickly sauteing that off, just in a little bit of olive oil, just until the oil starts to get fragrant. What I'm going to do now is just throw in a few handfuls of baby spinach. Now you can use any other veggie that you like as well. I'm going to put some beautiful and nice bit of silken tofu in here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to break it up just gently. Now, silken tofu is different in regards to firm tofu. It's very delicate. You don't want to play around with it too much, but I'm just giving it a slight little smash with the back of a fork. Look at that. Seasoning with a little bit of sea salt. And the eggs are slowly heating through. Now I'm going to put some parsley in here as well. Just a nice, generous sprinkle. Now, to finish it off, all I want to do, take it off the heat, stir in a spoonful of either some coconut yogurt or either some coconut cream. Now, this is just going to make it purely delicious and silky. So you can serve this over some basmati rice, some beautiful sourdough, or just eat it straight out of a pan like I do. Enjoy Silken Tofu Scrambled Eggs.